So this is the video if you want to know what are the skills that you need to succeed as a freelance writer.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
Hello guys, so this is Kevin. Welcome to another video. So today I'm trying to expand more on the video about how to become a freelance writer. So as this title suggests, there are some skills actually that you need to succeed as a freelance writer. In our video we talked about the steps actually that you can take to become a successful freelance writer. So we talked about the first one being you research about freelance writing. Yes, after that the next thing you need to do is to get the skills and tools required to freelance. So now I want to talk more about the skills. Talking of skills, actually there is this article that I've written on my website freelancing.co.ke. so these articles contain 14 freelance writing skills in Kenya that you need to succeed. So out of these 14, I have picked 4 that are actually really important if you need to make money as a freelance writer, and I'm going to go over them for you to understand why these are really important. You need to understand one thing, that there are 2 things when it comes to freelance writing. The first one is you actually delivering what you promised. The other one is now marketing yourself. So when it comes to dealing with the client, you need some skills to make sure that the thing that the client is expecting is what they are getting. You understand? So, and then the other one is, for you to get these clients, there are some skills that you need, of course, to start marketing your services. For this one, I think I'll start from the end of, first of all, making sure that you satisfy the client. Because let me tell you the truth. If you don't deliver what the client expects, if you don't deliver, let's say if you don't deliver to the client what they want, there won't be tomorrow for you as a freelancer. The first skill that you need as a freelance writer, to deliver the work, to deliver quality, deliver what the client will appreciate, is the research skill. So you need research. So what does that mean? Research skills are important for freelance writers because they allow them to gather information about their topic and compile it into a cohesive article. So it's not just about gathering information. You need, once you've gathered the right information, you need to compile it in a way that makes sense. Research skills also helps you as a writer to find credible sources to back your claim. And having these strong research skills can help you as a writer to produce high quality work that's both informative and accurate. So those are 2 things that you need to always keep in mind as a content writer. You need to make sure that whatever you are producing is, number 1, informative, and number 2, accurate. How do you get these 2 things? The first thing is, it's through your research skills. You need to find the right sources. You need to find credible sources. So credible means that you need to find authoritative sources. When it comes to researching online, when you're writing, it's not always about finding the information. It's about who is actually providing the information. So when researching, make sure that the information that you are gathering is from the right source, is from the credible source. Once you've researched, you need now to write, to sit down and compile that. That's where copywriting skills comes in. So copywriting involves using strong, persuasive language to sell a product or an idea, and it is essential for any writer who wants to be successful in the freelance market. Good copywriting skills can help a writer to secure more clients and earn more money. So it's definitely worth investing. Let me tell you this. Copywriting is understanding how to put certain words in a way that's convincing, that's persuasive. So if a client asks you to write a product review, the first thing you need to do is research. Yes, so we've talked about research. The next thing, of course, now is that now to start writing about it in a way that's persuasive, because at the end of the day, the goal of a product review is to get people to buy the product in the end. Or if you're writing, for example, a sales page, because you need the copywriting. And when it comes to copywriting, it means using words in a way that's convincing and persuasive. If you take care of these 2 skills, Like, you know how to research, you know where to find the information, and once you found the information, you know how to put them together, you know how to put them together in a way that's convincing, then you've solved like 70% of your problems. The next problem when it comes to that is editing, because at the end of the day, you're not 100%. And truth be told, English is not our first language. So you need editing and proofreading skills. What does that mean? Proofreading is the process of checking text for errors in grammar, punctuation, and spelling. And when it comes to editing, so this is the process of improving the clarity, style, and accuracy of text. You've researched your text. The next thing, you've written them in a very persuasive way. The next thing you need to do is what? Is to edit and proofread. And we've said that proofreading means you're making sure that the grammar and of course the punctuations and all that stuff are in order. The next, of course, is editing. So editing is the process of improving the clarity, style, and accuracy. So you need to make sure that every point is clear. Once you've taken care of all of this, you've solved almost like 80% of your problems.
Make a mistake, it's called education.
Now, what are the 20%? So maybe the next 10% is about now getting the client. As we mentioned earlier on, you need to make sure that what you're promising the client, first of all, is what you will deliver. Once you're in that position that you are confident that, whatever I'm going to promise you, I'm going to give it to you. Now, the next skill that you need is pitching. Pitching is actually looking for a client, looking for work. So once you are confident with your skills, with what you can do, you can now start looking for clients. So when pitching, one must be able to articulate what they bring to the table. You need to show what you're bringing to the table. So these include highlighting your writing experience, and then it includes highlighting specific subject matter. If you're writing specifically for this industry or specifically for these businesses, that's what you need to show. And then you need also to show the relevant skills. So it's also important to have a strong understanding of what the client is looking for and how you can help them meet their goals. Yes. So when it comes to pitching, the most important thing is understanding, translating what the client wants into what you can do for them. So the thing you need to do is to listen to the client. Okay, they want ABCD. In your pitch, show them like, yes, I understand you're having this problem. This is how I'm going to help you. Why am I the right person to help you? I have this skill. And how do you know that I have that skill? This is the previous work that I've done. First, make sure that what you're promising the client is what you can deliver. Now, once you've taken care of the part of delivering, you can now start looking for work. Now, if we go back to the list, we said there are 14. Know your niche, marketing skills. I think we will talk about that in a separate video. Communication, time management, blogging skills, and all that. The most important skills that you can learn will help you deliver quality work. If you can't deliver what a client wants, you'll just be destroying your reputation. This is my suggestion. Make sure that you can deliver what you're promising by learning these skills. Make sure you learn about copywriting skills, learn about research, and learn about editing, of course, and proofreading. Once you've taken care of that, make sure now you learn about pitching, and then of course learn how to market yourself. If you have any question, please let me in the comments below. And of course, if you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button. Bye for now.